Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense technology news is Colombia signs agreement to acquire 17 Saab Gripen E fighters to replace aging Kfir fleet. On the 13th of November, Colombia signed a $4.3 billion agreement to purchase a squadron of 17 Swedish Saab Gripen E multi-role fighter jets. The final number of aircraft was increased by one during negotiations, exceeding the original offer of 16 units. The contract also includes upgrades to airbase infrastructure to accommodate the new jets, alongside logistical and training support. Payment will be made in installments, with completion scheduled by 2032. As part of the offset arrangements, Swedish companies committed to non-defense investments in Colombia. These include a solar panel factory in the Córdoba department, water access points in La Guajira, and advanced medical equipment for the San Juan de Dios Hospital in Bogotá. The new aircraft will replace Colombia's aging fleet of 12 IAI Kfir supersonic jets, which have been in service for 44 years, 32 of those under Colombian operation after their acquisition from Israel. Colombia announced the decision to select the JAS-39E Gripen fighters on the 3rd of April 2025, joining Sweden, Brazil, and Thailand as the fourth operator of the Gripen E. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.